What up, YouTube? I'm really excited because I got this in the mail today. You know what it is. It's the Kessler Crane Second Shooter. I was so excited, I pre-ordered it and I had an invoice in my email 4 minutes after they opened for pre-orders. Very exciting for me. I'm very excited to get my hands into the motion control game so I can do some visual effects and really complex time lapses. So I'm going to do an unboxing here to show you what you get when you order the second shooter. I ordered a 3-axis second shooter for the cine slider, and let's do it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this tape. Alright guys, so here it is. Got my invoice here and their connection card to keep us buying the products. It probably will. Alright, so here's the Kessler Crane this is cine slider / stealth motor mount, and this is just to put the motor on the slider, and we'll do that in another video. I'm going to set up the whole thing in the next video, so stay tuned. This is fun. This is like Christmas for me. Been looking forward to this thing for a few months, you know. It's finally here. I'm excited to unleash my creativity. Accessory below. Alright. So here, guys, is what it looks like in the mail. This is the pan and tilt head. Got a 1/4 inch mount and a 3/8 inch. Seems pretty heavy. It's light, or not light, it's small. You know, I could throw this in your camera bag real easy. I mean, look at my hand. It's not very big. I mean, I'm not freaking Goliath, so easily throw that in a camera bag. And here's the motor with the magnetic controller on it. Freaking genius, Kessler, seriously. Freaking magnetic, and those are strong magnets. Hope the plastic doesn't break over time because they're so strong. Anyways, you know, so this is what this is used for. Mount this on the slider. And we're not done yet. This box is strategically designed to be efficient. You can just tell. What is this? Alright, got a power supply here. Plug that into the wall. Got some Ethernet cables. Cat 5, or I think it's Cat 5. USB. And this is hardware. This is the pulley for the high torque, low speed. So I'm just going to set the box out of the way. Start with the pulley. So we got some hardware in here. 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. And this must be for cords, this little piece. This piece is for cords. You shove the cords in there and keep them nice and neat. Here's the gear for the pulley. Interchangeable with this one, so you have different gear ratios. I believe this might go here actually. And then 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch stuff. That's that. So we got USB 2.0. That's for, you know, software updates and stuff, probably for patches and things. Here's a Cat 5 cable. I believe it's, yeah, it's Cat 5, Cat something. I think this is Cat 6 right there. Then this is for my Canon camera, so I can shoot my intervalometer. Cool. Actually, that's what this is. One's for the intervalometer, one's for something else. Not sure yet. We'll find out together, eh? I'm not Canadian. I know some of the guys that sell Kessler things are Canadian though. You can tell by their voices on the videos they make. Alright, so I got that cable and that cable. Maybe that's just an extender. That's probably what it is. And you got the Cat 5 cables for the pan and tilt heads. So this one just goes there probably, or to the slider. And then there's this. So, and here you got the pretty basic power supply, just 120 volt, 100 to 240 volt. So this could go in a lot of different outlets. And I'm gonna bust this open now. If you look here, this is the mount. You just clamp this around the cine slider and you screw this through here into the gear system on the cine slider, and we'll do that in this next video. So guys, this is plastic. It's nice and light. It's good that it's light for work, but I don't know how heavy duty it is. I guess we'll find out over time. But you got the menu, and the shift button for different programming, and then it's very simple controls. And I knew this going in. So it'll do its functions though. Hopefully going through the menus will be fast enough to get different shots. So that's it, guys. That's the whole unboxing. Hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully it helps a little bit. I can answer any questions you have in the comments below, and hope you watch my how to put it together and program it video, because I want to find out with you.